Alright, I'm trying to shoot a little video here to show how I got the end stops working. Clearly I don't have the steppers on an actual printer yet, but I'm pretty sure I've got it operating like it should. So I've just installed a fresh copy of the 0.82 Repetier firmware and made these changes that I will post here on the forum. That's basically everything I've gone through and changed so far. So I'll go ahead and kick it on. So I've got my stepper motors back here, and the end stops, if I can get it to focus, are set up on the minimum pins instead of the maximums, and I've got the NO wired to the outside negative portion of it, and the common is set to the middle pin, and the positive pin is empty. There's nothing on there. So those run through a haphazard set of wires over here to my end stops, which should be X, Y, and Z. So they should be functioning correctly now. So we'll go ahead and open up Repetier, which I still don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I was saying Repetier, but I think that's wrong now, but whatever. Anyway, go ahead and connect. So it shows we are connected. I'll go ahead and go over here and hit manual control, and I'll go ahead and pull up the log, and I'll go ahead and turn echo on as well. So right now if I hit the travel Z up and down, doing that makes my 3 steppers on the end travel. I don't have the actual settings correctly set up to know how far they're supposed to be traveling because it's not hooked up to anything yet, but we'll be optimistic and say that's 10 millimeters. So we'll go ahead over here, type in G28, which from what I understand is the same thing as clicking any one of those, but mainly that one. So we'll go ahead and home Z and send. So we've got our command sent, and okay, so here are our 3 steppers spinning, trying to be homed. I'll set this up here so you can kind of see them in the background. So I'll go ahead and hit X. X should stop. Hit Y. Y stops, and hit Z. They'll reverse briefly, and then they'll start rotating again until you press them all again. And they should be quote-unquote homed now. So as far as I can tell, that should be functioning like it should be. Maybe you can troubleshoot some other stuff, but that shows, at least with the minimum amount of editing that I've done to the firmware so far, the G28 command is working with mechanical end stops that are wired with the NO and C, the normally open common, and the normally closed NC is unwired. So hopefully that will help something. Good luck.